Hey guys, welcome to my newest video. So today I'm going to make some fluffy slime. Of course, I've already made two fluffy slimes. One's a little bit bigger than the other because I did use a lot more stuff. What you're gonna need is shaving cream, some borax. I have the box. You don't want the liquid stuff. You're going to want some glue, Elmer's glue. I'm using Elmer's glue, but it's in a different bottle. And then, of course, a bowl and a spoon. And optional colors like pigment or lotion. And you want to get 1 teaspoon of borax, and you want to put it in some warm water and mix it in until it turns clear. Of course, there will be some floaties, but that's okay. So you basically want to pour your amount in here. So I'm just going to pour that much in there, not too much, like that. And then you want to take your shaving cream and squirt only about 3 squirts in there. 1, 2, 3. Because if you do more than that, it will do some crazy stuff. Now you want to mix it. And then you're going to want to take some food coloring and squirt it in. Only about 4 squirts. If you want more, you can put more in there. Mix it in all together. Just like that. And then you want to put 1 spoonful of borax inside. And you want to mix it. And you can see it will start to form like that. You want to keep putting it in, but not too much, because if you put too much in at a time, you will ruin it. Sometimes what I like to do is I like to pick it up, and it's gonna be sticky because it's glue still. But you want to keep mixing pretty good, and then once you can take this out, like that, you put this to a side, just like that, and then you want to keep putting little bits of borax solution in, just like this. And then you're going to want to keep mixing it until it does this. Okay, so after this is done, you're going to squirt at least any kind of lotion in to make it will make it stretchy. So only squirt like 2 things of a square of lotion, and then mix it in, because I just squirted that everywhere. But yeah, mix it in.
Comes out of my nose.
So after you mix it in, keep mixing it, and then you'll be able to play with it. You can make bubbles with it. Whoops. Make sure it's flat though, because if it's not, it will. I didn't make it. Oh, there's my dog. Hi. But yeah, just keep. It will eventually make a bubble, except when you can't have it. This is my dog, guys. But yeah, I have.
Don't let him get into that door.
I know. I have this big thing. I put 2 colors together. So I'm gonna mix these together, all together. So after it's all mixed in, you can start playing with it. It's fun, fun, fun. Alright, so after you're done mixing it, after I finished mixing it, I put some more food coloring in it so it wouldn't make this brown color, but it ended up making the brown color. But it's alright because I'm alright with it. And that's how you make slime, guys. Bye!